Welcome home to nature at its finest on Ann Arbor's west side. Songbird Springs is located just 5 minutes outside of Ann Arbor and everything the city offers: shopping, award-winning restaurants, theaters, music, and more. Let the sounds of nature beckon you home at the end of the day. Enjoy a peaceful view of the nature preserve, walk to the crystal-clear spring-fed pond, and enjoy the quiet surroundings filled with wildlife and native plants. Bring your own custom home plans or let us help you through the process with one of our recommended architects. These homes will be custom built by one of the area's finest and most well-respected builders, Jim Binder. He has over 30 years of hands-on building experience, and this project is especially near to his heart. You'll enjoy hardwood flooring, rich cherry cabinetry with dovetailed drawers, and granite surfaces as standard. Additional options include a beautiful cedar deck, spacious screened-in porch, or a four-season sunroom. Each Jim Binder home features quality as standard, including Andersen windows, hardy plank siding, oversized case and base, and much more. Welcome to Songbird Springs and all that it has to offer. If you have any questions about Songbird Springs, feel free to visit ewingpros.com or contact us direct at 734-669-6851. Thanks for watching. If you'd like more information about Ann Arbor or any of its great neighborhoods, be sure to check out our short film Discover Ann Arbor or any of our neighborhood spotlights by clicking on either video below. If you enjoyed this video or any of our others, feel free to show it by clicking the like button or leaving a comment below. And don't forget to share us with your friends on Facebook or subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks again.